And Polycarp Igathe will leave his current post as Managing Director of Equity Bank Kenya at the end of the month to go back to Vivo Energy for a newly created role as Executive Vice President for Sales and Marketing. Before his appointment to the MD's position at Equity, he was the company's Chief Commercial Officer. Igathe has had a colorful journey since exiting the multinational oil marketer in 2017. He became Nairobi's Deputy Governor, working with Governor Mike Sonko, before an abrupt departure that saw him swing to the county's offices in the business district to a posh office in Upper Hill. Many questioned his move to deputize Sonko, who is akin to his polar opposite, and within a short time the convenient marriage came to a cropper. Prior to going political, Igathe had served as Vivo Energy's Kenya's Managing Director. And elsewhere, as Kenya looks to set up tolling stations on a section of its highways and a tolling fund to finance the maintenance of highways, a financial advisory institution has raised the flag of a rampant revenue leakage by toll operators owing to operational inefficiencies. A study by audit firm KPMG reveals that 65 toll operators surveyed across the world lose an estimated 824 million shillings or $8 million per annum due to reliance on old technology and cash payments. The report says that the most efficient toll operators rely on electronic toll collection, which helps address revenue leakages. Kenya is looking to reintroduce toll stations on a section of its highways, citing insufficiency of funds generated from the fuel levy to supplement the funding and of maintenance of roads.